Hey guys, this is Tom. We're gonna try and test this wheel touch-up paint to try to repair those small scratches a lot of people get on Tesla rims. So I'm gonna try and fix this small scratch. I have some bigger one, but we're gonna start with a small one. So by the instruction, what you're gonna need is sanding paper, size 100, some alcohol, and the microfiber towel. Hey Toby, did you come to help? Alright. So 100, size 100. Now when sanding it, you want to be very careful not to touch anywhere else except of the scratch itself, and you just want to take those thick, just to want to make it smoother a little bit. So you want to be very careful and then just touch just the repair area, because anywhere else you touch, you're gonna leave scratches on the wheel itself. Just a tiny bit. That's better. So this is smooth enough. I'm gonna put some alcohol on the towel. And I'm gonna clean it really good. Now when applying the paint, you just want to leave a thick one layer. You don't want to go back and forth because it's going to make it look kind of sticky and gooey. Take the brush. So if you look closer, you're still gonna see the repair, but it's not as bad as seeing all the scratches and the silver color. A few minutes later, it's already dry pretty quick. And again, when you look very close, you're gonna see it, but when you look from a little bit farther, it's hardly noticeable. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this product. If you have any question, comment, you're welcome to leave comments. Thank you for watching.